Selenium. Selenium introduction. Selenium is automation testing tool. It is a automation testing tools. Selenium first came to life in 2004, introduced by Johnson's Huggins. It is a automation testing tool, automation web application testing tool. It is a automation web application testing tool. Only it is supporting web application testing. It is a automation web application testing tool. First Selenium came to life in 2004. Selenium first came to life in 2004, introduced by Johnson's Huggins. Selenium WebDriver launched at Google in 2006. Selenium WebDriver, it is a very famous tool in Selenium suite. Now companies are using Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver launched at Google in 2006. Selenium WebDriver launched at Google in 2006. Introduced in 2006. In Selenium in 2008, WebDriver merged with Selenium RC. In 2008, WebDriver merged with Selenium RC. It is called Selenium 2. Next, Selenium license. No license cost, but all Selenium projects release under the license of Apache 2.0. License in QTP license cost, but in Selenium no license cost, but all Selenium projects released under the license of Apache 2.0. All Selenium projects released in under the Apache under the license of Apache 2.0. Here no license cost. It's a free resource tool. Anybody can download and use this tool. No license cost. Anybody can download the tool and use the tool. Yes, anybody can download and use. Next, anybody can modify the source code, no problem. Okay, anybody can download, and it is a free resource tool. Anybody can download the Selenium tool and you can use the tool, no problem. Anybody can modify the source code, no problem, not issue. Okay, anybody can modify the source code. Next, anybody can distribute the code. After modify the code, distribution is no problem, but selling the modified code is not allowed. That is the mandatory. After modified, selling is not possible. Selling the modified code is not allowed. Not allowed. Anybody can distribute the code, but one note, that is selling the modified code is not allowed. Selenium is a free resource tool. Anybody can download and can use the tool. Anybody can modify the source code, no problem. Anybody can distribute the modified code, no problem. But selling the modified code is not allowed or not possible in Selenium license. Selenium supporting platforms or environment. Selenium supporting environment. Selenium supporting platforms or environments. Which environments is supporting Selenium? Environment. Which environment is supporting? Application in three types of application environment. Next, browser. Next, operating system environment, and web browser environment. Application environment. First one is application environment. Application environment. Application environment. CUI based applications, command user interface applications, it is not supporting. It does not support command user interface. It is only supporting GUI based applications. It does not support CUI based applications. Command user interfaces based applications, it is not supporting. Next, one tier, two tier. QTP is supporting desktop applications and window based applications, but one tier, two tier desktop applications Selenium is not supporting, but QTP is supporting desktop applications and web applications. But Selenium is only supporting web application. It is not supporting desktop applications. It means one tier architecture and two tier architecture. One tier, two tier means desktop or window applications, window based applications. It does not supporting window based applications. Desktop or window based. Does not support desktop or window based applications applications it does not supporting. Does not support. Yes. Next, web applications. Web applications. Tell me, Naveen, web applications, it is supporting or not? Yeah, Selenium is supporting only web application testing. Web application, it supports web application. It supports web application. Application. Next, mobile applications. Yeah, it's supporting mobile application which are having web forms only. It is supporting mobile applications. Mobile application which are having web forms, that applications testing it's supporting only which are having a web forms. That time Selenium is supporting mobile applications. Next, second environment is operating systems. Operating environment. Which operating is OS it is supporting. Operating systems. Selenium it's supporting Windows operating environment. It supports Unix operating environment. It supports Mac operating environment. It is supporting all the environments, but QTP it is only supporting Windows operating system only. QTP it is supporting only Windows operating system, but Selenium is supporting Windows operating systems, Unix operating system, and it supports Mac operating environment. It supports Windows operating system, operating environment, and it supports Unix environment, operating environment. Next, it supports Mac environment, Mac operating system, operating environment. Next, third one is web browsers. Selenium is supporting web-based applications. That's why it is supporting all the browsers, like latest released browsers also it is supporting. It supports all the browsers, web browsers. Next, web browsers. Web browsers, IE it is supporting. Internet Explorer. Another one is Mozilla Firefox, it is supporting. Next, third one is Chrome, Google Chrome browser. Fourth one is Safari. Next, have any idea? Opera, etc. Supporting all the web environments. Next, Programming languages, but in QTP it is supporting only Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Firefox, but Selenium is supporting all the browsers. Latest releases browsers also it is supporting. Programming or scripting languages. Programming or scripting languages. Scripting languages. Here it's supporting all the languages: Java, C Sharp, Nest, .NET, C Sharp, .NET, PHP, Nest, Python, Nest, Perl, Next, Ruby, etc. This is Selenium supporting platforms or environments. Next, Selenium suite of tools. Selenium is not a single tool, it component of multiple tools. Third one is Selenium suite of tools. Selenium suite of tools. Selenium suite of tools. Selenium IDE, Next, Selenium RC. It is outdated right now. Companies they are not using Selenium RC. Next, Selenium WebDriver. Now companies are using Selenium WebDriver. It is a programming interface. Selenium RC is automation platform. Selenium RC and Selenium WebDrivers. First automation platform is Selenium RC. Selenium IDE is integrated development environment. Next, Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid. This is Selenium suites.